and all the way to your tummy, and then give it back out from your nose until you can hear the sound of your breath. 3 times. I'll stay in the middle. Please close your eyes and take a deep breath from your nose, in and out, and until you can hear the sound of your breath. And as you do this, your ears are going to hear all the sounds around you. You're going to add your ears to your concentration of your breath. Your eyes are closed because we are practicing connection with our heart. Now make your Rabita, back Rabita, Allah's light in your heart, and your front Rabita to the mountain, Razina. You can visualize this, you can touch it, you can touch a tree that connects to the mountain. I feel like my left hand should touch it, so I am moving. So you do what feels comfortable for you. Now we are going to do a short zikr, and then you're going to go into contemplation. You can talk to the mountain or just sit with the mountain. La ilaha illallah, 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 la ilaha illallah. Allah, Allah. Go to your heart with your head. Allah, 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 Allah. Ooh. Again to your heart. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Now bring your front Rabita to your heart and stay there. Your eyes closed, and just keep breathing in and out of your nose. And this is where you meet the mountain, in your heart. And you say Salamun Alaikum, and see what the mountain is offering you in the way of connection. If you don't cross your feet, it is easier. And your head can be back or it can be towards your heart, however you feel comfortable, as long as your connection is established. And you can keep hearing with your ear and with your breath. And we will hold this until I tell you. Just concentrate on your breath and how you feel. It could be a feeling, it could be a message, or it could be strengthening, sharing the energies. Now come out of it by breathing ooh out of your mouth. It doesn't have to be loud, just take a deep breath. Breathe one breath out of your mouth and gently open your eyes.